students, today we are going to study about doing words or action words. Action words which you have already studied, like sleep, eat, cook, drive, play. Okay, these are action words or doing words. These action words or doing words which tells that what activity is going on, what is happening in the sentence are called verbs. Okay, the doing words are also called verbs. Now doing words are like eat, drink, play, laugh, and some are like cooks, falls, jumps, catches. Means here we can also say that eats, drinks, plays, laughs. Okay, means some doing words in doing words sometimes we add s or es at the back of their spelling, or sometimes we do not add anything to their spelling. So those doing words in which we only add s or es or do not add anything are used for those sentences in that condition where the action usually happens. Okay, where the action usually happens, like the sun shines brightly. So sun always shines brightly. Okay, there is no doubt, it is a fact. So in such action which usually happens, like I brush my teeth regularly. So this is the habit, this is my habit that I brush my teeth regularly. So for those actions which are in our habit or which are facts or which usually happens, we use such verbs, such doing word. Means we do not add s, whether we do not add s or es or whether we add ses, but we do not add ing or ed to them. ओके आपने कुछ सेंटेंस ऐसे देखे होंगे जिसमें ing ऐड होता है, लाइक ईटिंग, ड्रिंकिंग और कुकिंग, फॉलिंग. ओके, बट हेयर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज वर्ड्स, those doing words in which we do not add anything or we just add s or es. Okay, and when do we use such words, such doing words? When the action usually happens in a sentence or it is in the habit. Okay, or it is a universal fact. Okay, now let us find out the difference, that when do we add s or es to the doing word, or when we do not add anything. So to those when the sentence begins with a singular naming word, okay, like Ram cooks dinner for himself. Okay, or Raghu falls from the stairs. So here these words, to these doing words we are adding s because the naming word is singular. Okay, the sentence begins with a singular naming word, or whether the sentence begins with he, she or it, then also we will add s or es to the doing words. Okay, you will learn that in few of the spellings where we have to add es, and in few of the spelling we just add s. Okay, this you have also learned in singular, plural, but now here we are talking about doing words. So I told you that the sentence begins with singular naming word or it begins with he, she, it. We use those doing words in which we add s or es. Okay, means we add s or es to the doing words. And in a sentence, if the sentence begins with a plural naming word, like the rabbits eat carrot. Okay, so all the rabbits eat carrots. Okay, or children drink water from their water bottle, or they play basketball, or we laugh on the jokes of anything. Okay, now here, as I told you, that if the sentence begins with any plural naming word, we do not add s or es to the doing verb. Okay, the sentence begins with plural naming word, we do not add s or es to the doing words. Okay, or if sentence begins with such words like we, they, I, you, then also we do not add s or es to the doing words. Okay, let's read these sentences. Okay, cows eat grass. Here cows is a plural naming word or singular naming word? Plural, right? So here the doing word is eat. Okay, and in this we have not added s or es. Mother cooks food. So this sentence begins with mother. Mother is a single person, so we have to add s to the doing word or verb. I drink lots of water. Here this verb or doing word is drink. Why we have not added s or es here? Because it begins with I, and as I told you, if the sentence begins with I, then we do not add s to the doing word. Okay, similarly here the children falls down the slide. Here the children is a plural naming word. Okay, so this is wrong. Now this becomes wrong because with the plural naming word we do not add s to the doing word, as I told you. So this is the doing word. They play football in the evening. So they, as I told you above, that if the sentence begins with they, then to the doing word or verb we do not add s. My dog jumps to catch the ball. My dog is single dog, so here to this action word or to this verb we have add s. So that's all about this topic. Thank you.